Greetings. Welcome to Geometry Puzzles, a series of videos on problems and puzzles in geometry. This is going to be problem number 17, and here I will tell you the question informally first, and then I will show you the formal question. So what we have here is a segment like this and another segment like this. Both are equal in length and perpendicular to each other. Let me name the points, and we take a random line through point B. So the line can be like this, or it can be like this. It can be any way it wants. So consider this line which I have drawn here through B, and on this line, let us name this line as L, line L. On this line we drop perpendiculars. We drop perpendiculars from point A to this line, and from point C as well, like this. So these are the perpendiculars that are dropped. Let me name these points as P and this as Q. The task here is to show that AP is equal to BQ and PB is equal to CQ. This is what we have to show. So this is the question, and the formal question I have over here. You can also find this question in the description if you want to take the printout or you want the question in the Word format. So how do we show what is asked? How do we show AP is equal to BQ and PB is equal to CQ? Let us consider the diagram. In this diagram, what we do is we connect AC. Let us connect AC. We connect AC like this, and let us name a few angles. Let this angle be called A. Let this angle be called A. Now this angle is going to be 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Because you see, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, and the equal lengths, the middle angle is 90 degrees. So if this angle is 90 degrees, then the other two are 45 degrees each. So these two angles are 45 degrees. Let this angle be called C, small letter C. Let this be called P or Q, small letter Q, and let this angle be called P, small letter P. Now we apply angle sum property to quadrilateral APQC, quadrilateral APQC, and we find that angle A plus 45 plus 45 plus C plus 90 plus 90 is equal to 360 degrees. So what we have here is A plus C. 45 and 45 is 90, 90 and 90 is how much is this? 90, 90, 180, and this is 90, 270. 270 is equal to 360, which implies A plus C is equal to 90. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 90. By the way, our how we are going to show this and this is true is by showing triangle APB and triangle BQC are congruent. These two triangles are congruent is what we are going to show, and our task follows. So angle A plus C is 90 degrees over here, and further we have A plus P is also 90 degrees, angle sum property for triangle APB, and further we have C plus Q is also 90 degrees, angle sum property for triangle BQC. Bravo, Queen, Charlie. So these three give us this equation. And this equation which I just wrote tells us that angle A is equal to angle Q and angle P is equal to angle C. This is equation 2. So A is equal to Q comes from this equation. This equation and this equation. C cancels, so A is equal to Q, and P is equal to C comes from this equation and this equation. A cancels. So in triangle APB and triangle BQC, we have angle A is equal to angle Q and angle P is equal to angle C, and the third angle on both the triangles is 90 degrees. So 90 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So all the three angles are equal. All the three angles are equal. So how are they congruent? I mean they could be similar as well. Yes, we are given the fact that AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC. It is a given fact. So the hypotenuse, one side is equal to the corresponding side on the other triangle. So they are not just similar, they are congruent. So I can write this sign between these two triangles. Triangle APB is congruent to triangle BQC, and because triangle APB is congruent to triangle BQC, I can write AP is equal to BQ. AP is equal to BQ, and I can write PB is equal to QC. PB is equal to QC. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Hence proved. Thank you for watching.